The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has been the king of compact vlogging cameras since 2023, but leaked rumors about the Pocket 4 are creating serious FOMO. With whispers of Hasselblad partnership and 4K at 240 FPS video performance, should you grab the Pocket 3 today or wait for what could be the ultimate pocket camera? Let's discuss. The DJI OSMO Pocket 3 features a sleek black body with a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen. The camera incorporates a 3-axis mechanical gimbal system that provides exceptional stabilization for such a small device, while physical controls include a joystick and dedicated record button for intuitive operation. Based on leaked information, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to grow slightly larger to accommodate new features. The most significant design upgrade appears to be a larger 2.5-inch touchscreen. The Pocket 3 features a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 9.4 megapixels, delivering excellent image quality for both photos and videos. This sensor size provides superior low-light performance compared to smaller action cameras. The sensor supports advanced features like 10-bit color recording and D-Log-M color profiles for professional color grading workflows. Leaked specifications suggest the Pocket 4 will maintain the same 1-inch sensor size but upgrade to 12 megapixels. The rumored Hasselblad partnership could bring improved color science and processing algorithms, delivering more natural skin tones and better dynamic range. The Osmo Pocket 3 includes ActiveTrack 6 for intelligent subject tracking, along with various automated shooting modes and gesture controls. The camera supports wireless connectivity for smartphone integration and remote control capabilities. According to rumors, the Pocket 4 will introduce ActiveTrack 7 with significantly improved artificial intelligence for tracking faces, eyes, and moving subjects with greater accuracy. The leaked specifications indicate enhanced autofocus performance and new creative modes tailored for social media content. Faster charging capabilities and improved battery efficiency are also expected to address current limitations. The Pocket 3 delivers impressive 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second. The camera supports various recording formats, including standard 4K at 60 frames per second for everyday use, with excellent color reproduction and sharp detail throughout the frame. Image stabilization performs exceptionally well for handheld shooting scenarios. Leaked information suggests the Pocket 4 could offer 4K recording at 240 frames per second. Additional rumored features include 3K recording at 120 frames per second, specifically optimized for vertical social media content, along with improved electronic image stabilization working alongside the mechanical gimbal system. The Osmo Pocket 3 originally launched at $519 but currently costs around $800 due to recent tariff increases, with the Creator Combo priced at $979. The Pocket 4 will be priced at approximately $699 for the standard model and $799 for the Creator Combo. The expected release timeframe points to late 2026 or early 2027, meaning fans have to face a significant wait period. The Pocket 3 remains an excellent choice for immediate content creation needs, offering proven performance and current availability. However, if the rumored Pocket 4 features materialize, the wait could be worthwhile for creators seeking cutting-edge capabilities and enhanced performance. So, what's your take on this comparison? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more camera news.